I couldn't think of a better way to kick off this winter content series than right here at White Lake Cabins with a 5 a.m. cold plunge before I met up with my good buddy Dave and headed out hunting. Good morning, buddy.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you. Let's hit the road and get this adventure started, buddy.
It's on.
That snow line's a little higher than I thought it would be.
Yeah, me too. At the end of the lake could be a little different. It's a little different climate back there, but that hopefully it's a smidge lower for sure. But that's kind of the level. Most of the level will be on that.
And it's a lot of burn areas out here too.
Yeah, that's what the good old mule deer like.
So we're about 10 minutes away from camp right now after driving for a few hours, and you can see it's quite the burned out area here.
This is it.
Oh, there we are. We're here. We made it.
Sick.
And everybody's got to run. And ain't nobody gonna hold you. And everybody needs someone. Don't try to go alone.
Well, that took a matter of 15 minutes. Quick and easy. We got our tent up. Setting up the wood stove here.
Keep it nice and warm.
A little fancier bed than I thought we were gonna have, bro. There we go. Good luck, pine cone.
Oh yeah. He's gonna get a deer for us.
Here.
Careful. Did we get two? Big rock face comes down. Yep.
So what's all in there?
It's jalapenos, turmeric, brown sugar, a little bit of vinegar. Cheers.
Cheers, buddy. All right, got my dinner going. Got a little white wine sauce, some mushrooms, a little bit of thyme, smoked salt.
You want your torch?
Yeah. Thanks, buddy. You got my back. And I got your bellies.
Yeah. That's proper.
Do a little rest now. Rest that for 10 minutes. And then I'm just gonna cover it with some tin foil here. There we go. Okay, now that I got my tenderloin resting, I'm gonna get the feet in. I'm going with a little bit of this thyme here. Just a little smoked salt.
Let's see this coffee cup here. Finest coffee cup in town. Literal stir stick.
Lift up here.
Yeah, look at that.
So we're on like what, a day and a half.
We've got a buck though.
Yeah, we've seen our first buck.
First buck has been located.
Right out, kind of in the middle of this mountain here.
First buck's located. We've seen probably 8-9 does today.
Nothing, just a bunch of trees.
Easier to see with the snow or what?
Oh yeah, way easier.
So we got the ling cod, my ling cod from the summer, and then your spot prawns. Take a bite of one.
No, good, thanks.
No, you don't like them raw?
No, I like battered.
Oh,
I love
bro.
them, how you're about to make them.
Okay, buddy, so what we're gonna do is make some kind of like nugget style fish, right?
Okay.
Like that, that's good. We can
Perfect.
make little nuggets like that. Fried fish is your favorite or what?
Oh, it's my go-to.
Get the batter going here. If it's not like dripping, running quick like that, it's too thick. So now you're gonna get like just like a nice thin batter, right? That's all you want.
Okay.
Let's fry these up, buddy.
Let's go. Your old spot prawns. Did you put cinnamon in there?
A little cinnamon, yeah? You smell it?
Yep.
Yeah, in the Caribbean jerk. Day 3 from camp today, and we got another little blanket of snow, which is nice. You can see over here these open areas. You can actually glass right from here at the campsite. We got a campfire going this morning. Got our camp set up, nice cozy camp set up. And this morning I'm making some venison sausages, maple venison sausages from Dave. And we have his eggs this morning from White Lake Cabins. So we're just gearing up. Have a good breakfast, have some coffee, and go get the footsteps in. We've been glassing a lot over the last few days, so today's the day where we kind of put in lots of footsteps. So you can see right here, the bucks were fighting.
We're gonna shoot a monster cranker, and I'll rattle it in. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a monster.
I feel like this is the closest we've been to a buck yet. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna hide behind this rock right here, and we're gonna rattle these antlers that he's got over his head. That's another buck right there.
Right now.
Morning. Here we go. Nice and early. Tom looks pretty tired. Today's the day. Today's the day. We started the day with a couple nice buck tracks here. This is unreal. So fresh. Perfect sunrise. We just made it to the top of the mountain. Look at the view. This is crazy. And we just seen a deer right in front of us, so we're just gonna chill and see what happens here. Check out all these tracks.
Find somebody and get together. Make love last forever, every day and every night.
In the end, we did not land the mule deer we were after, but being out here in the Shuswap, surrounded by epic views, learning about these animals and sharing the experience with an incredible hunter and all-around great crew is what it's really about. We wrapped up the trip by cooking a whitetail from earlier in the week, sharing one final meal with some good laughs, and already planning the next hunt. I'm leaving the Shuswap grateful, with a full belly, and ready for the next adventure in the Kootenays of British Columbia.